In this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be giving the P&S Pearl Auto Shampoo a go. I'm getting low on the Adams Car Shampoo, and I figured I'd try something different for the everyday washes and to use in the wheel bucket when cleaning wheels and tires, stuff like that. So it's rather inexpensive for a gallon, so I figured, give it a shot. So on the front it says highly dilutable, foam cannon ready, safe on all finishes, and it is mild on hands. So if we turn it around, it says environmentally friendly, pH balanced, 100% biodegradable, and safe to use for all washing applications. Easy on the finish of vehicles and easy on your hands. Pearl Auto Shampoo is formulated to the highest quality environmental standards. Pearl Shampoo provides incredible foam stability and lubricity. Pearl may be used by hand, foam gun, or be proportioned through a dilution device for machine use. So for the directions, it says always wash vehicle in a shaded area when possible and in designated wash area to ensure proper drainage exists to comply with all local, state, and federal environmental regulations. Use 1 ounce, which would be 2 capfuls of Pearl Auto Shampoo per gallon of water. So I have 5-gallon buckets that are filled to about 4 gallons. So that means they want 4 ounces of shampoo in the wash bucket. So we'll give it a try on the first run, see how it works. It says here optimum dilution ratio is from 80 to 128 to 1 with water. Rinse vehicle prior to applying soap solution. Apply soap solution by hand or through foam gun. Wash vehicle with wash pad. Rinse thoroughly dry using the appropriate drying cloth. Okay, so we do have the Matte CC foam cannon filled to about 750 milliliters with water, and we're going to use 100 milliliters, which is just over 3 ounces of concentrate in that foam cannon, and we're going to use 100 milliliters in the MJJC foam cannon, and we'll see how each of them do. Okay, so 100 milliliters in each foam cannon. So, as you can see, 100 milliliters. This is a thinner product, so it's not going to get stuck in the funnel. So that's one good thing. And here you go, 100 milliliters in the second foam cannon. And then we'll pre-fill to 4 ounces. There it is, 4 ounces for the wash bucket. Old reliable modified Matte CC foam cannon. Okay, so the soap's been on the car for a few minutes, and as you can see, it does apply as a thin foam. You can put more soap in the foam cannon if you'd like. different pressure washers may increase the level of foam. But in terms of how it feels like it has good lubrication. I did clean the textured part on the very underside. I just sprayed some of the foam into a microfiber towel and got, you know, way underneath. I'm going to be working on the rockers and the door sills today. All right, 4 ounces going in the wash bucket. So we'll do the hood with no added lubrication. Just with your hand in the bucket. I'd say moderate lubrication, felt. And for those of you wondering, there is a very light scent of lemon. Now, with this foam cannon. Okay, so as you can see, the car's back in the garage and clean. So I went ahead and used the MJJC foam cannon to, you know, foam the car a second time, and then use the P&S Pearl shampoo in the bucket and on the car. And I'll have to say, if you do that, even if you just have a garden hose and a foam gun instead of a pressure washer and a foam cannon, any added lubrication on the surface to help prevent any wash-induced scratches and marring. I'll put links in the description. Any Amazon links that are used does help support the channel, but I'll put links in the description. Detailed image has a gallon for $21.99. If you're looking for a budget shampoo that checks all the boxes, I recommend P&S Pearl. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.